Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, we are visiting to Koodlu Thirta Falls, which comes under Shivamogga district, also known as one of the best and beautiful waterfalls in Karnataka. So we are visiting for the first time. So let's check it out. A request to all the viewers who are watching this one. Please do watch till the end. I'm damn sure you're definitely gonna like it, and make sure if you like it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So let's start. This is the entrance for Koodlu Thirta waterfalls. The distance from entrance to waterfalls is 12 kilometers and another extra 2 kilometers for trekking. To visit waterfalls, there is a ticket counter. They'll charge us for Indians 50 rupees per person, for foreigners 100 rupees. If you're having any extra luggage like camera, they'll charge 300 rupees. For extra lenses 400 rupees per camera, and you cannot carry any plastics. There are certain rules to follow. We are almost near to Koodlu Thirta waterfalls now. At any moment we can enter the entrance. At the entrance we have to purchase the tickets, then we have to start trekking from here. If anyone wants to visit these waterfalls, from Shivamogga it takes 118 kilometers to reach these waterfalls. If you are coming from Tirthahalli, it just takes 57 to 60 kilometers, almost 1 hour, nothing much.
A few moments later.
ये झाड़ी आंच खड़को देखी थी सुने ना मैं हाँ भाई कल देखा ना भाई को का This is so huge.
It's almost 9 minutes. We're still walking. I don't know still how long it takes to reach there.
A few inches later.
Here's what. Studio.
2 hours later.
Finally, we have reached. You can hear the voices. Some of them are screaming.
Finally, head. No, Lena Marima.
Twenty minutes later.
अच्छी देखना
Oh my God!
wow
Whoa! Beautiful.
foolishness is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. पाणी घसीट राहा रे. इरफान तू काढ, विचा काढ.